What's up, y'all? Good afternoon. I'm about to go eat some lunch with the girls. But before we do that, let's get into the baby bump. So cute. So right now we at Devo's breakfast and like lunch and daiquiris, whatever. I can't have the daiquiris or whatnot, but I will come back once I had a baby to see how the daiquiris are. So you're about to go ahead and enter. Hopefully it's not a long wait because it is packed. Well, it's plain as I gotta go. So it's like a 30-45 minute wait. So I'm about to go see about this cupcake place. Hold on, they kind of a little blurry. Hopefully they open. But I'm about to go see about this cupcake place. Oh, they close on Sundays. Okay. Well, never mind. Can't go see about the cupcake place. But it is a Tim Hortons. Let's go get a donut. Let's go get a donut-roni. Because it's a Tim Hortons right there. So let's get some donuts and water while we wait, because that's going to be a long little wait. But yeah, so I can't play the music in there. I mean, I can't play the video because of the music. So what I'm gonna do is, hello. I'm trying to see what donut I want. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do is, record my food and stuff, but then just have it on silent and just give y'all my review after. But I don't know what donut I want, y'all. I really don't like Tim Hortons donuts because they taste fake, but I'm really hungry. Me and my baby hungry. Okay. I'm gonna get one old-fashioned glazed donut with a cup of water.
Okay. $1.92.
Yeah.
What kind of person you got on?
This is Bath and Body Works.
What kind is it?
Thank you. No, it's not cucumber. It's the one that's in a blue bottle. Oh my gosh.
It's a blue bottle?
Yeah. I'm gonna go right next door, so when I'm gonna come back and let you know.
Okay.
But yes. Okay. But yeah, it's the blue.
You ever smell something and you be like, I smelled that before?
Mm-hmm.
That's how
Yes.
it is right now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you, your one.
Okay. Straws down there. Okay. Wish y'all know I smell good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Oh, y'all got a big water. Don't play with Tim Hortons. So now we're about to go back to the car and eat this donut and wait for the rest of the crew to pull up. Let's go eat this donut. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get back to the car. Alright, y'all. So I'm back in the car. Got the shades on. Get a little donut. But I'm about to go ahead and take in this water. Because the girl is thirsty. So thirsty.
And everybody quiet and see that I'm reading the eulogy. Dropped an album called Kamikaze, so that means to kill him. Alright, fuck one rapper girl this week, don't make me call him kill. Sick of the sweat, so still corny hats, let's talk about it.
I couldn't.
Still mad, let's talk about it.
So I'm just waiting for them to text me to let me know. And we can go sit down. My friend, she's 10 minutes away. Oh my gosh. These donuts, it's cute as these glasses, it's cute as hell. So freaking cute. Yeah, I feel so fine. Alright. Real life. I feel so fine. Like this pregnancy, like this whole pregnancy has made me feel like a bad bitch. Literally. Well, a bad female. Come on, I'm gonna be watching my videos. A bad female. But like I just feel so sexy. Like can nobody stop me? Like I feel very untouchable. Literally. I feel so bad. I look good. I feel good. Okay, daughter. Cause y'all know the little old wives' tales be like, your daughter take all your beauty and this and that. Which I'm not gonna lie, she did take most of my beauty in the beginning. Cause my face was bumped up, y'all. But I was not. I give this donut a 10 out of 10. Maybe it's just a Tim Hortons by my job that's nasty. What? That's best. Real hard. Real bad. But I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself. I know. As I should be, and as you should too. And let me just say this for anybody, any woman that's pregnant or trying to conceive. Just because you're pregnant doesn't mean you can't dress sexy. Doesn't mean you can't feel sexy. Like, feel sexy. Okay? Feel sexy. Is at the end of the day, you gotta walk around with that bump. You gotta get your confidence up. So, feel sexy. Do what makes you happy. And live life. People think you're pregnant and can't have fun or live life. The only thing I can't do is drink and smoke. I can still have fun. And so to my family, I am having fun while I'm pregnant. Okay? But I'll get back on once I get inside the restaurant. I'm going to take some pictures. See you on the next clip. Yeah, so I just finished up brunch. It was good. I give the place overall, I give it like a 9 out of 10 with the music. They can play some very, very good music.
I don't want to go. I want to go downtown. It's nice and breezy out.
It is. I had to go move this stuff out the car. The chicken. I didn't so much care for the chicken. The chicken wasn't so good to me.
What the hell? Why is your strap so damn thick?
I am stuffed. The chicken, I don't care so much for it. It wasn't all of that. I get a chicken like a 5 out of 10. Waffles, I get it like an 8 out of 10. They was pretty good. The fruit bowl, I would give it a 7 out of 10. The fruit was very fresh though. Potatoes, I would give it like a 5 out of 10. But the overall experience was nice and whatnot. I would probably eat there again. But that's the end of it. I'm full now. My stomach, is like out there. Like we for sure full. Okay? We are for sure full. So I'm at the head out. I'll probably get back on later for another video, but this is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post and drop a video. Comment down below some video ideas you want to see from me or me to do. But yeah, see y'all in the next clip. Peace.